Lesson 10. Animal Anagrams. An anagram is a word or phrase made by using the letters of another word or phrase in a different order. For example, King is an anagram of Nick. Here are a few anagrams with an accompanying hint. Unscramble the name and check your wit. 1. Falcon is the fastest bird that can fly at the speed of 390 km per hour. 2. Tortoise is the longest living animal which can live beyond 150 years. 3. A blue whale is the largest mammal and lives in the sea. It can eat about 3 to 4 tons of food every day. 4. Starfish has the ability to regenerate a cut-off limb and has no brain or blood. 5. Arctic tern is a bird that migrates through a distance of about 12,000 miles from the coast of Labrador to Antarctica every winter. 6. Flamingo is the bird and can eat only when its head is upside down. 7. Sloth is a tree-dwelling mammal. It sleeps around 10 hours a day. Like, share, and subscribe.